This is a spreadsheet from Lotus 1.2.3 Release 4. It's a relic. Excel might open it if you force the file type, but conversion is recommended. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open the sheet. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for WK4 problems. See below for my top choice. The WK4 file type is treated as part of the spreadsheet file group. The chosen format for data exchange is the Lotus 1.2.3 spreadsheet type. The WK4 file extension is primarily associated with Lotus 1.2.3 spreadsheet files, specifically those created by Lotus 1.2.3 version 4. These files contain data organized in rows and columns, along with formulas, charts, and formatting. WK4 files can often be converted to Excel formats, facilitating data exchange between the two spreadsheet applications. WK4 files utilize a proprietary binary format developed by Lotus Development Corporation. The format includes structures for storing cell data, formulas, formatting information, and embedded objects. The file structure is designed for efficient storage and retrieval of spreadsheet data within the Lotus 1.2.3 environment. Conversion to Excel often involves mapping WK4 data structures to equivalent Excel structures. Historically, the main tool for managing the WK4 type has been Lotus 1.2.3 by IBM Lotus. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows shows only high-level information, so detailed work must be done in a spreadsheet environment. To guarantee success, right-click your WK4 file and select Open With. If Lotus 1.2.3 is available, test it. If not, choose another application. We are looking for the software that accepts the WK4 format. If your WK4 file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The universal solution is coming, but first, the explanation. Here is the technical breakdown of why your system is rejecting the WK4 file. First, use Lotus 1.2.3. Open the file using Lotus 1.2.3 or the free Lotus Smart Suite Viewer. Next, use Excel Converter. Use Microsoft Excel and install the Lotus 1.2.3 conversion add-in to open the file. Finally, convert to XLSX ODS. Use an online converter to export the file to XLSX or ODS. When application failures continue, the WK4 file requires advanced decoding. The professional tool we've discussed is the most reliable option to try. When the problem persists after using specialized software, the WK4 problem lies in the format's complexity. FileMagick is engineered to master hundreds of formats that Windows ignores. Go to filemagick.com. Problem solved, just as promised. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm already preparing the next fix, and you won't want to miss it.